Count us down.
3, 2, 1, go.
It worked! But I dare you to try a piece.
No!
Look.
Welcome to Fun on the Phone.
What are we doing today, guys?
Making a potato video!
A potato video. Specifically, are we gonna learn how to make French fries?
Yes.
Okay, what do we need for our French fries?
Potatoes.
Potatoes, that's the main ingredient, huh?
Some oil.
Some oil to fry them. We got that heating up now. What about some salt?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's kind of it, huh? All right, let's wash our potatoes. Step 1.
Step 2, cut the peels off.
Yeah, we gotta peel them and then cut them up. Step 3, what about fry them?
Yeah.
Fry them in the oil. Step 4, salt them up.
Yeah.
Step 5, eat them.
Yes.
All right. Okay, let's get started. Let's give them a wash first. Okay, how about we do an experiment, guys? Let's do Ollie's with the peels on, and then Sis's with the peels off. Now let's do some peeling. All right, Ollie, where are our potatoes from?
Idaho.
Idaho. Exactly, and these are russet potatoes, these brown ones. So there's different types of potatoes, reds, golden, all sorts. And they're delicious. Another healthy option if you want to do French fries is you bake them. Throw them in the oven. So we're gonna chop these up now. Try this first to see if that worked. We're gonna stick a potato in there and chomp it down, see if it'll work, but if not, we'll just slice them with a knife. Count us down.
3, 2, 1, go.
It worked! But I dare you to try a piece.
No!
Look. All right, help me push down. 1, 2, 3. Oh, good job. Okay. We got some stubby guys, and now with this one, Mama had a good idea. So we're gonna cut these in half, put it in long ways, so we get longer French fries. So we're gonna try it with this one. All right, 1, 2, 3. Good job. All right, let's put these on
This one is more long.
Let's put a couple of these on a paper towel. All right, dump her in. Yeah, kind of push her down. Looking good so far. Stuck! Get off there, potato!
So far, so good.
Ollie, what's this?
The oil.
The oil. All right, guys, we got to be really careful with this oil because it gets super hot.
And it also can pop up.
It can pop up, so we have to be really careful. Okay, guys, here we go. The first little bit of the fries are going in. We have to be super careful when we put these in because it could pop.
Go. Ooh.
Yeah. Make it going.
Ooh. That was like a volcano.
All right, we'll let those calm down a bit and then we'll pull them off. All right, guys, we did a little mess up. We threw all the unpeeled potatoes in at once and they turned out like that. So we're refrying them in here. And now they're starting to turn out like that, and they taste probably about the same. From that to that. Okay guys, did we finish up with our fries? Okay, give it a taste test.
Good. Good.
Dip it in some ketchup, see how it is. So we seasoned them with some salt and a little special seasoning, huh? Yeah.
But they got so good, guys.
Ooh.
You ever tried these French fries? They could be hot.
How'd they turn out?
Good.
Yes, how'd they turn out?
Good.
Good. There's our finished fries.
Subscribe, like, and we'll see you next time. Hold on.
Bye. Thanks, guys.
Bye, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.
Bye.